He ate some of it, and the milk is all dry.
He ate most of it. Huh.
Pretty good.
Did he put stuff in our stockings? He left some stuff out.
Look what he left, Connor.
Let's see what he put in our stockings.
Hey.
Is this one Connor's?
Yeah. Hey, and look at what he left for me.
This one's Aaron's. Should we see what he left you?
Hey, look at what he left
What is it?
for me. Money.
Whoa!
Dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Is that candy?
Wow.
What else did he leave you?
Cereal. Hey, and look at what else he
You
left.
gonna hold it?
Look at what else he left.
What is it,
did he leave
Connor?
you?
He left
Money?
Lion King.
Wow. What did he leave you right here? Sleeping Beauty?
So now I could see it. There's some scary parts. But we can
Look at that.
What?
What is it? Cinderella toothbrush. Yeah.
Mommy.
Some
Put your stuff down and you can empty it out.
Whoa, what is this? What is that ornament? What is it?
Look.
A kitty cat. Marin got a kitty cat ornament. What did you get, Connor? An orange. What is your favorite so far? The cereal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go show Connor. Go show Connor your cereal.
Wow. Yeah.
Cereal.
It's called Trix, Candy.
Connor, can you get it open? He might need some help, Daddy.
Candy.
Here, bring it over here. I'll help you.
I'm okay. So now I can see. Yeah. So now I can
Give
see
it to-
Sleeping Beauty, the movie.
An orange, yeah.
Look at this. I got a snowman.
Wow.
Snowman? Oh, I got one more thing. Orange.
He put it in the toe of the stocking. Okay.
Hey, and look at what else I got.
Christmas must be over.
No, look.
What is it?
A Spider-Man toothbrush.
Another Spider-Man toothbrush.
Wow.
Oh, toothbrush. Wow. A toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Another toothbrush.
Who's on it? Scissors.
He always says Cinderella.
Okay, are you gonna leave those up here? Cool. Okay.
I guess this is all that we got for Christmas.
No, it's not.